Ready? Okay. So, it was clear the moment would come. You thought you were ready. But then, well, time shot by so fast. Tension.
DTM 2020 is underway, side by side as they go through a route.
Anger.
He's completely ruined, honestly. It's up to him. Just react, alright?
Frustration.
Robin Friends out of the race, destroying his title hopes.
Euphoria.
Yes! Finally! Thank you all. So happy.
Elation.
Hugging the car is Nico Muller.
Now it's time to close the chapter, to become a part of our history. But sometimes it's really hard to let go. No one believed in us back then. Too unorthodox, too heavy, our V8 Quattro. But we had the last laugh. Do you remember this cute misfit? At first they were bemused, but then the underdog defeated the legend. Laurent and the young Swedish guy. Epic.
Matthias Ekstrom wins. It's the title for Laurent Aiello.
A new car, a new era, the Audi A4 DTM.
Champion Matthias Ekstrom.
Crazy times when naked Swedes danced through the paddock. When it was all about Audi versus Mercedes.
Ekstrom just takes it from Gary Paffett.
And Matthias Ekstrom wins the DTM crown for the second time.
And everyone versus Mr. DTM. Heroes leave the stage and new ones rise up.
Timo Scheiner is DTM champion.
A defending champion. Thank you, Timo. We had our bad moments, just like you. We sorted that out. And a touch of magic with a so-called year-old car.
Sensational title for Martin Tomczyk.
Looking back, it was much more than driving in circles. For us, every single person involved and every fan made it so special. BMW joined the party again. A new page opened with the Audi RS5 DTM. Rocky rocked it, consistent, never giving up. Well deserved. But the DTM is also about failing, bad luck, and sometimes injustice. Oh, Jamie, it just wasn't meant to be.
I can't hear it, guys.
And Ido, we're sure it still hurts being robbed of those points. And then along comes this guy. Snatches the DTM title away from a legend in the very last race. How cheeky. And rises to fame himself.
The fight between these two has been absolutely epic. Gary Paffett gives the thumbs up to Rennie Rast.
A fresh heartbeat. A new sound. The turbo. Let's keep this one short. No one has ever been so successful. Our entire team was simply unbelievable. BMW, we know it wasn't easy, but you fought like dragons till the very end. Respect. And now, here in front of these empty grandstands. So many great memories. We miss you like mad at the Turbo finale.
Welcome along, everybody, to the title-deciding weekend of DTM 2020. And here at Hockenheim, round 17 of DTM 2020 gets underway. He's going to attack on the way to the first corner, side by side, bit of contact out wide goes René Rast. This is the battle for the championship, and this is really a visual depiction of how close these two drivers have been for the last 2 seasons. Nico Müller is a lion, he's a fighter, he's going to come through, he's going to take the checkered flag. Nico Müller wins. Wow.
We are alive!
The championship is alive. The final race of DTM 2020. It's the last Class 1 race, it's the last turbocharged race in DTM. René Rast is about to unleash everything. He has been superb, supreme. He's been the class of the field. He's a 3-time champion.
Great man.
Thank you, René. Thanks. I have no words. Thank you so much for the last 4 years.
Okay, guys, we are curious what the future holds. Let's wait and see.